I'm glad to hear the CDC is now collecting data by ethnicity, particularly for Hispanic. But I would like to point out a mistake that CDC made in 1986, which was that when the HIV epidemic first hit America, there were increased risks of HIV among, in quotes, Hispanics, because that's the data we had. And so we let out a request for proposals, we got them back, we funded them, except that we funded the so-called best proposals, which came from Cuban American organization, but all the HIV at that time were about Puerto Rican American organizations. So it was a mistake, you know, well, I shouldn't say CDC made, I made it, I was the manager at the time. So I know CDC made the mistake. But, you know, I think that what happened when we did that for HIV may also be happening as we look at other populations as well, because we don't have that data on ethnicity. I don't know what race means. I don't know the people who use that word know what it means. But I think ethnicity is hugely important in identifying where the ideology is.